red goes here. Yes, and white goes here.
Sam, why is our house covered in stickers? Even Fluffy!
Because I'm studying colors. Isn't this a cool way?
Well, I don't know how to say it, Sam.
Don't be shy. Say as it is. It is genius!
Well, I'll say that if your plan for studying colors works.
What do you mean? Can it fail?
Well, make sure you don't confuse anything.
Sue, I think I got a problem.
What happened? The stickers aren't working?
It seems to be even more serious.
If you keep talking in riddles, I won't understand anything.
Sue, I think I'm colorblind.
What?
Colorblind people have unique eyesight. They can't tell colors apart, partially or completely. And how am I supposed to tell yellow and red M&Ms apart now?
Well, before you diagnose yourself with anything, you might need to conduct an experiment. Maybe you've just confused the colors.
Oh, Sue, I'm ready for any experiment. You're my last hope. Will you help me, guys? Give a thumbs up.
I was going to make ordinary cheese toast, but since Sam needs my help, I'll make it colorful. Let's add some food coloring to the cheese. Red, yellow, green, and blue. Don't be scared of food coloring. They're added to candies, cakes, and soda. Sam, experiment number 1 awaits you.
I'm coming! Whoa, what's this?
You won't believe it. It's cheese.
Sue, I'm having a difficult day and you decide to add cheese to it?
Train hard, fight easy. You should learn colors with the help of rainbow recipes. It's unusual and delicious.
Fine. What do I need to do?
Well, while I'm cooking colorful dishes, you should write down all the colors I'm using, and then we'll check.
Well, let's give it a try. I'm off to get a notepad.
And I'll brown the toast on both sides. First, we'll add some butter. And put our toast on top. 1. And then the other one. Done! Now let's see what we've got. Wow! So beautiful. Next up on our rainbow recipe list is colorful pancakes. Guys, if you like pancakes as much as I do, give this video a thumbs up. I'll whisk the egg with sugar until the mixture is fluffy. Then, we need to mix flour, milk, oil, and baking powder into a separate bowl. Then, we'll add our egg mixture into the milk mixture.
Sue, how do you spell yellow? 1 L or 2?
Sam, looks like you need to practice your spelling, not just colors. A double L, of course. Now, we'll divide the batter into separate bowls. And add different colors to each one. Oh, wow. Colored batter looks so magical.
Can I eat it?
First, write down the colors we've used.
Sue, is there a giraffe color?
What color?
Okay, I'm just kidding. Fluffy, give it back my notepad!
Don't keep colorful pancakes on the pan for too long, or they'll become brown. We need to turn them over quickly. There. We have a really delicious pancake rainbow! Guys, which pancake toppings do you like? Jam, honey, berries? Write in the comments.
I'm starving. Thanks, Susie.
Are you sure you won't burst?
Of course I am.
Since Mr. Sam left me without pancakes, I'll make something for myself. First, we'll cook spaghetti according to the instructions on the package.
Don't forget to start the timer or they'll overcook again. I don't want mushy spaghetti.
You're right. Watch them then, and I'll prepare other ingredients.
Let's make a deal. Don't overcook too soon. They're done! Time to color them.
Let's divide the spaghetti between the colored bowls. I need to stir them really well to make the color even. Sam, are you remembering colors?
Oh, Sue, it's so simple. Even the bunny got it.
Well, watch closely then. I'll mix the colors in a minute.
Oh, wait, I'll write them down. Yes, okay. Is it crimson or scarlet? I can't tell.
Sam, our Italian lunch is ready.
Incantado! Such a colorful dish will surprise even real Italians.
Thanks for the praise, Sam. Help yourself.
Let's try them. What if they're undercooked? Sue, since we're making all food today colorful, shall we make colorful fried eggs?
How? I've never seen that.
Really? I'll teach you. Start separating the yolks.
I wonder if Sam has guessed that it was me who switched the color stickers.
What? Huh? You talking to me?
Oh, no, Sammy. I'm just singing. Da-da-da-da-dun.
It was so hard to get. It was on the top shelf. Now, cut it and throw it into the blender to puree it. I'll go look for a lemon.
Sam, be careful. Guys, colored dishes are a great idea for a party with friends. If you make any of these recipes, send Sammy and me some photos. We'll select the best ones.
I think our fridge is too tall. Or do you put things on the top shelves on purpose?
Everything's ready for colorful fried eggs.
Oh, then mix them quick! Hey guys, write in the comments which recipe you like best, mine or Sue's. I hope you like mine. Please comment, I'm waiting! Wow, the egg white has become blue from the cabbage juice. Real magic.
Sam, is that it?
Oh, no. Add a bit of lemon into one of the bowls, but just a bit. Don't overdo it.
Wow, looks like space.
Now, let's make the coolest fried eggs in the world.
Let's go, Chef Sam.
Carefully now. Like that. Right. So pretty. And don't forget my favorite plate.
Not bad at all. I didn't expect this.
You mean you had your doubts? This is cabbage and egg masterpiece from Sam.
Our final recipe that will definitely help Sam remember the colors is a real rainbow.
Oh wow, we're gonna summon rain!
Rain?
Don't you know, Sue, the rainbow comes after the rain.
Oh, right. I see you're being smart here. What color is this?
Oh, where's my notepad?
Right, guys, so where were we? We'll need these waffles for the base, and our extra bright ingredient, blue frosting.
What? Which frosting?
Pink!
Very funny, Sue. I know what the color pink looks like. Thank you very much.
I'll cover our waffles with a thick layer of frosting, so it looks like a cloud. Now I'll add some marshmallows. From one side to the other. Great!
I don't want to disappoint you, but it doesn't look like a rainbow yet.
How about this?
Wow! Almost like the real thing!
Let's place a rainbow on the cloud. Our rainbow dessert is ready!
And I'm ready to show my color research.
Okay, let's see.
Well, Sue, don't keep me waiting. Can I tell colors apart?
Oh, Sam, you know colors really well, but I need to confess something. But first, take this rainbow as an apology. Sam, you're not colorblind. It was meant as a joke. I switched your stickers.
What? Sue, come back, we need to talk.
Phew! Sam hasn't caught me yet. Guys, if you like pranking your friends as well, give this video a thumbs up and comment!
Sue, I'm gonna catch you! Guys, if you liked our recipes, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button. Bye-bye!